Tracy Strieter is back from Medical Weight Loss Clinic, the Wellness and Business Development Coordinator. Hello.
Hi.
Good to see you always.
It's good to be here.
So you have something new for weight loss enhancement. Super exciting.
It is exciting. It's actually, we had it before and it kind of went away, and we are so excited because our patients have said, bring it back, and we are happy to say our MIC Lipo injection boosters are back.
Woohoo!
Yes.
That's cause for celebration.
So tell me about it. How does it work? What does it do?
I mean, the biggest thing that it does, I mean, it's an injection, but that injection enhances the metabolism, so it really revs up your fat burning, and the amino acids and vitamins that are in it actually do a lot of other beneficial things. The biggest are mostly main reasons. However, most of us want the smoothing of our cellulite.
Right.
We want stretch marks and wrinkles to fade, which is part of what the MIC injections do.
Okay.
They also help with insulin resistance syndrome. So it just really kind of jump starts the whole weight loss, inch loss process.
Wow, I like the sound of that.
How long does it last?
I mean, once you receive an injection, you feel the results almost immediately.
Okay.
I mean, literally, it's like energetic, mental clarity, and you'll actually start noticing rapid inch loss within a short time of starting the injection.
Right, and obviously, this is a product that works because your patients have asked for it.
Right.
So.
Yes, and they are absolutely thrilled that it's back.
Right,
Now,
wonderful.
you have other enhancement devices too, and products too, I should say, in pill form. How is this different? It's an injection, basically.
Correct, and because of the delivery format and being in that injection format, you feel the results immediately.
Right.
And the benefits as you continue the injections, the additional benefits just keep improving as you receive more and more injections.
Wow.
So yeah, the benefits between the inch loss, the energy, the hormonal balance, I mean, it's just magical.
It sure sounds like it. So how do we find out more, and more importantly, how do we get started?
How do you get started? I mean, the first step is just making that initial appointment for that initial consultation and calling 1-800-GET-SLIM and starting on the program. And once you're enrolled on the program, taking a look at our MIC injections and any of our other weight loss enhancing products will be truly customized.
I hope you brought some with you. We're ready.
Which arm do you want? All right.
Thank you so much for being here.
That's all our time for now on The Morning Blend.